It's your friend there. What kind of one cassette?
Yeah.
About features daily who can.
Oh, baby, features no baby. To say G-Wagon, we know. Yeah, full interior upgrade to latest version. So that's one of the additions made.
Body,
interior, rims, tires, suspension, engine, and gearbox. Tires, so yeah, drifting, so we have a lot of tires. Yeah, drifting. So who the area metro drift car? Let's see outside.
It's my uncle baby, my work.
Yeah, so higher upholstery. Where me chief upholstery boy, where your friend Nicholas, and that's James, and that's Mugis. Nicholas Matonzi. No, Nicholas, that's Nicholas. Matonzi or Brown, and that's Mugis. Mugis. You can see Mugis. What's this? To green. Yes, your friend a turquoise green. So this is what the customer requested. Originally, that's the color.
Okay.
But you're in the turquoise green. So also see this. This for blue Benz they see outside now. Yeah, yeah, pattern now. Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, your machine's in now. You can come in. So this machine does embroidery and all of that. So it's able to set it and do all of that. Yeah, investing into business, to bring it and make it much more user friendly for even the skilled workers. So a human will be faster. The better more cars at a time. Last year we did, I think, how many upholstery jobs? Close to 70 or so.
Wow.
Yeah, which is a lot. So we are looking to add more workforce. So this is some of the works. Maybe you just put it on for the meantime. Leather, yeah. Also, this is one of the old schools, yeah, restore.
That color is really nice.
Yeah, very nice. And this is also as old as the E30, almost 40 years old. So for them to look this good, it's a plus. We're 2014 Range Rover Sports. Yes, it's on to 2022 Range Rover Sports. We had 22 years ago, about for servicing. So yes, somebody in lights, bonnet, bumper, fenders, rims, and the interior also. We see here interior, the seats. We have a two-tone interior. We did this 2 years ago. Right now, paint no. So Asante, bruh. So Asante will be the best person. He's one of our chief sprayers. This car. Toyota Land Cruiser. It's about for change of color. So now first nail white. Yeah, nail white. It's body works, filler works in the area. Then you're cutting the primary way. So now you're going to black. This is the black. Okay. We have black paint. So we know they go on. I know now a boy am a young waves are all cast now. Because all of us a car white, I wish they won't waves anymore. But I will change our black, I will say Ugu paint, then this auto base paint. Now all I can. So all I can bright never back, they never throw waves are a walk on. Until I see a never take here 3 days before Sunday a year flow be out. Let a quabonti and Sunday I fana preparation. The work with fana preparation before Sunday a baby fana spraying. So be inside, I'll be say inside air white, and American. Inside air white. And see, and see if you want to now, or tonight, the quabonti, you go to 2 doors in a frame, or send a bear, even space inside and your spray inside.
Okay, see, Kelvin, Monday, you see, Papa, castle, and now most of my upgrade car from how we use.